Hello, everybody! I have a special guest again.
Once again, back.
Once again, you're back. It's Mr. Bandt, and it's hat day. We can like hit our bills together. Yeah. So anyways, we have, this used to be orange, and it's from the Dollar Tree.
Okay.
It had a little stem that was stuck in this hole, and I ripped it right out of there. Okay, so let's go on the down low. All right, so here we go. We got all of our goodies here. You know, I could cut it open and put some foam, flower foam in there, but we're just gonna try it with this. We're gonna wire some of these Sola wood flowers up. But before we do that, Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree. Okay, did you already see what happened there? Olé.
Oh,
It's
wow.
like really messy, guys. I already pulled out like a little bit of a nest.
Whoa.
Yeah. We're just gonna use some of this Spanish moss on top of this pumpkin. I'm gonna glue it on there. So I think my thought is I'm gonna hot glue some of this in here like this. And I don't think I'm gonna put the hot glue on here because I think it might melt it. I think I'm gonna put it on the
moss?
Yeah, so we're just gonna...
Careful.
Make sure it doesn't spill through because it'll get on your hand.
Yeah, it will, and that'll hurt, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's always do that. Oh, yeah, that hurts. Okay, we have the fingers. Protection. Got the fingers.
I got one too.
Okay, so this is what we got. We gave Mr. Pumpkin some hair. Okay, so we've got that. Now see, I could just hot glue these here, but I'm thinking I wanna stem them.
I'm gonna hold this so it doesn't go flying.
Okay, good.
Because we caught one of these before and this thing went flying all over the place.
Yeah, have you not watched my lives? We
watched
do
them.
that. I got a little push pin, and we're gonna just try to find a spot that we can stick that in there. And then I'll put a little glue on the end of my thing here. See my glue stick? It's being stupid.
There you go. There you go.
Okay. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. And then I gotta find the hole. There we go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that'll work good.
Yeah, and then that holds that in there pretty well. And then you gotta blow on it.
Okay.
A little bit more. This is why you're here, to foo the glue.
Much quieter than the fan, huh?
And we're just gonna pop this puppy right in the center. Oh, it's gonna work. I don't know about the greenery. What did I do with my little flappy greens that I already did? Okay.
Oh, there's one.
I'm gonna put one here. Oh, I think it's gonna be cute. So let's do another one of these guys. These are nicer, so you can pull them off, like off the stem like that. So now I take this little push pin and I'm just gonna stick this through here, make a little hole in the sidewall of the greenery. And then we're just gonna push that through like that. And then I just fold it over, maybe. Yaby. I don't even know what yaby
You get
is.
some pliers.
No, my fingers work.
Ready
So
for
this
it.
is what we have. We have one, and I almost think I want to do like the trio of greens. So we got this so far. That's what we got so far. It's kind of cute, guys.
Yeah. Now it looks like a pumpkin with hair and a hat on.
Okay. So I think, let's see, we could leave just, it can be real simple. I'm thinking, I'm going to use this in here and poke a little hole for my stick of, okay. Okay, so I think we're going to use this one here. Do you think maybe we shouldn't do the pine cones? I don't know though. I think they would add a little something, guys.
Yeah,
Do you
I think
think?
we
would.
should.
Kind of like the pine cones.
Well, I do like them because
What if you put one pine cone, big one, right in the middle on top?
changing it.
I'm just kidding.
No, you're not. I looked at Hobby Lobby. I saw where they did this. They wrapped the wire around the cone.
Oh.
I think this will work. I think let's wire all three of them first, and then we'll put them in. Okay, so let's put this one in here, I think.
Oh,
I think it's
cute.
good.
I think
Okay,
that's
see?
perfect. I'm so
I think
excited.
it's so stinking cute. So here is our nestled Sola wood flower pumpkin delicious Dollar Tree project. Did you like that?
Nice.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for being here with me.
Thank you for having me. I want to come back again.
You want to come back? I guess you're invited.
Okay.
This is your bedroom.